Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2016 Fiat 500 1.2 Lounge. This car's finished in Bianco Bossa Nova white. It's got the daytime running lights, front fog lights, you've got the glass panoramic roof, sunroof, body coloured door mirrors, chrome trim running along the door tops, (15-inch) alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the part leather and cloth upholstery. So at the top of the seat you've got the leather panel with the 500 logo in it. Then you've got the Prince of Wales check trim in the centre panels and just a grey upholstery on the outer panels. White dashboard. Rear passenger area, so room for 2 passengers in the rear of the car. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors. Then inside the rear load area you've got the 50-50 split rear seats for increased load capacity. Moving around to the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric mirror adjustment. USB and auxiliary port, twin cup holders, 12-volt accessory plug-in, 5-speed gearbox, electric front window operation on the centre console, heater controls with manual air conditioning, city button for lighter steering for manoeuvring in car parks. Then you've got the touchscreen media system with the AM, FM, DAB radio stations. You've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, and you've also got hands-free phone operation. Controls on the steering wheel. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. And you've got the controls for answering and rejecting phone calls. This car's done 36,411 miles. The panoramic roof, you've got the roof blind, and when you pull the roof blind back you've got the glass panel which lets a lot more light into the car, makes the car feel very light inside. Moving back outside the car again, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.